Okay, this video we're going to try to do, not collab, we are going to do anti-gravity. Okay, Google. So the nice thing about anti-gravity is it's, like I said, there's a command line interface. So the Hugging Face token that we set up can use it. There's a web interface. It's pretty actually nice that we can use. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. Let me do, and it's also Mac and PC. It's almost the same. So if you're on the PC, boom, Linux right here. I use Linux a lot. I use Pop OS, and so I use this one. But like I said, it is relatively standard between all of them. So let's download this one. And I'm also going to click on here and get the command line to install. Actually, let's just do this one first. Nobody ever uses half this stuff. Okay. How do you use your UNLV account? See, that worked. It's just, yeah, for some reason my unlv.nevada.edu account, I don't think you can use. So you have to use your unlv.edu account. And it doesn't matter what you click on. So here is, oh, let me click everything. Make that a little bit bigger here. So now, there is your coding agent. So what can I do? So I think by default we get, I don't know, oh, it's this one. How do I connect to Hugging Face with Google? It's A and G, anti-G-R-A-V-I-T-Y. And that's all right. You see now that it will work. I can have it do, how am I saying this? Weird. So anyway, so it's working. Now I want to do the command line tools. Okay. Maybe I like to work on a terminal. Maybe I think it's a little bit better. But right now it's telling me how I can how I can actually do a Hugging Face. Boom, right there. But now, like I said, I want to try the terminal. So there was another command, if you notice, if I go to Google, oops, I just saw anti-gravity app, and download, and then CLI, command line interface. Like I said, terminal is a little bit, I don't want to say more risky, but it's a little bit more risky because, again, with bigger projects, things are more complex. It could have greater access. The advantage is that it has maybe more context. So it says I have to do this one line, paste, and then I'm going to exit. And if I can type today, oops, terminal. And then I think it's AGY. And then I can just configure Google. I can make this bigger because I know nobody can ever see it. So what color do you want? Blah, blah, blah. Do you want to send stuff to Google? Yeah, I don't care. I turn it off. Can you make sure my Hugging Face auth is working and you can connect to Hugging Face? Again, just a different interface. So we know that cars have stick shifts, they have automatics, and maybe something else. I don't know. I know that like trucks, big semi trucks have more. So there's just an interface on how you control the flow of energy through the engine to the tires. An automatic, a clutch, a Hurst shifter. They're just methods of controlling energy. Some are more automatic, some are less automatic. Same thing. Terminal versus the anti-gravity app versus they're just how you can control it. So yeah, it said right now that it can connect. So I can literally sit in here and ask it, hey, make a Hugging Face space, and it would do that, and I'd approve it to upload. So Hugging Face and anti-gravity AGY, that's how you run it. AGY. And then you have, you pick different models here. Remember, with free accounts, if you use a less powerful model, your coding will go longer because more powerful models use more tokens. More tokens equals less time you have in front of this. So if I was to use like, I don't know, 3.5, and you see effort right there, on high, it might be able to solve really complex problems, but I might not be able to do it for more than 10-15 minutes. Or if I go down here, I could probably code on this for a couple hours without any problems. So keep that in mind. I can post some instructions on how to use AGY and other things like that, but it's just all. And you'll see the same thing in here. That's weird. Made it try signing into my old account. Yeah, like I said, the UNOE.Nevada.edu doesn't want to work, which is fine. So see, instead of having /model, same exact thing. Here we want to create a project, so MIS, whatever you want to call it, and create a project and go. I know for some of you non-CS, non-programming people, this is a lot, but we're getting there.